Okay, I'm doing my normal Friday video. I'm showing you the lay of the land here. So we're on Williams Road. Jane's already sold the house, of course. Not great parking. It's what's happening with these sales in these older homes who just don't have the parking. So you have to sort that out in the morning. You're on your own, guys. Driveway, obviously. You can pull in here and load up your items, of course, after you've purchased from us. So this is the home. The grounds are very pretty. She was an avid gardener. There's some steps here and there's a sort of a wobbly railing, so we're doing entrance to sale. We've got signage, of course we do. We've got Bridget. So those are the steps leading up to the back garden, the patio. We'll go there in a minute. But so we're queuing up basically at this door, and at 10 a.m. we'll open it up, open up the garage, and then you can just walk in. Here you've got dolls and Christmas, and I've got extra boxes there. This is kind of like the garage area. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And this is like her workshop, tools. Fabric begins here. These are the doll molds. So she would make her own dolls from powder, arms, legs, bodies, full-size body, all different demarcations on there, and then fire them in her own kiln, or one of two kilns. Doll stands, doll parts, and then we've got the fur coats, and we've got a great rack here for all the coats and leather jackets. Someone asked about the size of this. I'm not sure. It's kind of big. And the fabric begins. We've got machines, craft supplies, lace, trim, zips, machines, fabric. We've got sewing patterns, a whole filing cabinet full. These great chairs. I love these chairs. Quilting squares, more machines. We've got thread and more fabric and more fabric. So, more fabric. Hats, fabric, quilts, fabric. These fantastic chairs that people are asking about. We've just got 5 of these and no table. Dolls. Watch your step, and then up the stairs here is to the main house. This will be the checkout area. In the kitchen, sort of heat on this side too. And then we've got kitchen items in here, kind of a dining table. Glasses, good rugs, this great mid-century credenza. Got the Pyrex on there. These kind of concertina doors. Got a bathroom there. This was her bedroom. She even made her own lampshades. And look at these sewing machines. They're just fantastic. The detail on the side here, the way that they're painted here, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. She looked after them. 2 of those. She loved her hats. Got some great hat boxes. Lots of clothes. More hat boxes. Clothes, shoes. Another hat box there. The pin cushion dolls she made. Vintage linens. Into the hallway. Small bathroom here. Project room. This is kind of a fun room, I think. Use the old lamp bases here for hat stands. More clothes here. In here we've got handbags, more clothes, scarves, yarn, vintage pushchair and a playpen. Everything's for sale. This is the front door. Obviously we're not going to be using that, but just to show you here. Coolers on there, and then kitchen items. We've got shoes out there, and sort of pots and pans over there. We are using every square inch of the place. This is the entryway here. All sales are final. This is the lounge. Another sewing machine. Look at this guy. Sewing machine clock. That's the case for this sewing machine. More dolls. Glass heads. Everyone's become fascinated by. Dining room. Little bar cart, bar area. Hutch just full of cool figurines and cups and saucers and some Fenton, some glass. We've used every nook and cranny. These are the antique dolls in here. Another rug in the kitchen. And back here in the checkout area, and then this is the veranda. Favourite spot of the house. There's the Claire Murray that everyone's going on about too. These gorgeous jade trees. Baskets. It's so pretty out here. Everything is priced. And then here's the veranda. Oh, the patio. This is the veranda. Fencing there for a gate for a trellis. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous out here. Gardenalia, garden statuary. So we'll see you tomorrow at 10 AM. You can start queuing up whenever you want. So this is that pathway I was telling you about. And you can queue up there, driveway, walk up, queue up there. We'll let you in, whole house, and then you can come back down here. All right, see you tomorrow, guys. Cheers.